I think as a first round, it was really interesting to watch, to actually see that something came out and it was fine. And I think it's very interesting as a proof of concept for me. Um, I think the value lies in the fact that I can take out this human variable of cooking and everything. Um, it it is, I think, something that we all have to do all the time, and if it is something that I don't have to do, I think that perceived value is there for me as a working professional, or even if I had just a big family, or I have care issues. um, Managing people at home, we have a cook, a maid. It's like a small scale industry at home, right? You have to make sure that everything happens on time, and if and there is no variability there. If this machine will do that for me without having to worry about, has the cook come, or is there somebody at home, yada yada yada, and I can program it from home to start up when I want it to. All of those things are all sort of huge pluses, and I think that has value for me to definitely consider. So the feature that I asked for was to speed up the time taken to cook, because as a working mom, actually as a mom of school-going kids, there is a defined time in the morning, or even if I had like guests coming or whatever, and at the last minute I've had to prep something. There is value for me in being able to make the cook times shorter. And so I would love to be able to program the machine so that I could do slow cook if I wanted to, do a really speedy cook for the days when I want to get out of the kitchen and have fun with my family, and still have food waiting for me. So yeah, definitely time, always of the essence. So I think this also broadly speaks to the fact that one of the things for you to consider maybe that you give a little bit of extra cooking time at the end, that maybe a person can program in an optional cooking time that would allow me to get rid of the excess water, or sort of enhance the flavor, or the I mean, it is a sensory experience, right? So if it doesn't look as good as I thought it should, or I poured a little more water, whatever, I might have set it wrong. All of these things, if I could get rid of the water, that would, extra cooking time would really help.